Everyone, let's take a look at a trending ticker right now. Take a look at shares of PINS, pins, down 4% right now after reports from deal reporters saying the company's largest investor, Elliott Investment, may push for a sale. Elliott's involvement with Pinterest was reported back in July by the Wall Street Journal, which said at the time that the firm had built a stake of over 9% in the company here, Julie. This has been really interesting to track in terms of what Elliott's ultimate goals were with that stake that they had built up in Pinterest.
Yeah, what's interesting is that the stock is not going up, right? We had a little bit of a spike earlier in the session when this first started percolating out there. This was reported by Deal Reporter, which is behind a paywall. So then it sort of trickles through, right, the system and the chatter among traders. But you would think if Elliott's pushing for a sale, that Pinterest would be higher. So the fact that it's not maybe throws a little bit of skepticism into the equation or questions about if they were going to sell themselves, who would buy them?
It is, and it's a question of, as well, what category still Pinterest wants to play in. It's not clear. The company was trying to step away from being annexed to the other social media companies at the time when it went public. It's still tried to be, and largely has been, kind of this inspirational platform for finding out new things that you might be interested in, and whether that's DIY projects or whether that's just finding new recipes or just finding inspiration for everything from your next outfit that you want to wear all the way to the way to kind of propagate a new plant. And so all of that has now gone increasingly to some of the other social media platforms that Pinterest didn't want to be annexed to. So it's a larger question of, for whoever would be that acquisitive company, the company that would come in and swoop in and ultimately kind of put them under their umbrella, what vision they have for growing out Pinterest and that average revenue per user on the platform too.
Right. Lots of good questions about all of this. And would it be someone in e-commerce who could link up and monetize all of those different, I mean, they've done some of that already, right? A lot of the Pinterest stuff has links, but I don't know.
We'll have to continue to watch shares as we move on throughout the day. Yeah.